That was so wonderful. I have, of course, my Yorkie here that had kennel cough. And also I have a Morkie and also a Jack Russell. So all of my furry babies took this medication, or cough medicine I would call it, for about a good month. I started off giving the droplets to my Yorkie here, but he didn't care too much for the flavor. So I started adding it to his food and water. So that was the best regimen. And this is a natural product, all natural ingredients. So I am truly satisfied. It definitely saved me a vet bill. All right, go ahead and try it out, guys, on Amazon.